A sudden fire became a real-world test under extreme conditions. In June 2026, a fire accident occurred at a factory in Pakistan, South Asia. After hours of exposure to intense heat, a large amount of equipment inside the facility was severely damaged. The forklift body was also destroyed in the flames. However, one component remained fully operational. After the fire, the customer conducted a complete inspection of the forklift. Although the exterior was affected by heat and smoke, the internal structure remained intact after disassembly. On-site voltage testing was then performed, and all key parameters remained within normal ranges. So, why was the battery able to maintain stable performance after such extreme conditions? This result cannot be explained by a single test alone. We verified the safety limits of our battery systems through multiple extreme condition tests. These include external fire exposure tests, thermal propagation tests, crash tests, and simulated impact tests. These tests are designed to evaluate battery safety performance under unexpected extreme scenarios. During transportation and operation, structural durability is equally critical. Therefore, we conduct continuous vibration tests and mechanical impact tests to ensure reliable performance under complex working conditions. At the same time, battery systems must operate reliably across different climates worldwide. We perform water ingress tests, humidity and heat cycling tests, and temperature shock tests. These tests cover a wide range of conditions, from high temperatures to low temperatures, and from dry environments to high humidity. It is this comprehensive R&D, manufacturing and validation system that ensures consistent reliability and stability across every battery system. Eneroc continues to build full process engineering validation capabilities. Today, our products are serving customers across multiple countries and regions worldwide. They continue to deliver stable performance in industrial vehicle and energy storage applications. True quality is not defined only by laboratory data, but proven through real-world validation. Tested by fire, proven by quality.